Are you tired of navigating through endless menus to find just one setting in Windows? Imagine having everything from display options to advanced system tools all in one place. Let me show you how to set that up. There's actually a hidden feature in Windows called GodMode that gives you access to all your settings in single location. And the best part, setting it up takes less than 30 seconds. First, right-click on your desktop, go into New and click Folder. Rename this folder to God Mode and followed by a code. Don't worry about memorizing this code. I will include it in the video description. When you hit enter, you'll see the folder icon change to a control panel icon, and that's it. You just activated God Mode. Now, if you open the folder, you have access to over 200 Windows settings all in one place. Everything is neatly organized. Devices and printers, power options, network settings. No more search through different menus. Let's say you want to frequently connect to different networks or need to troubleshoot connection issues. God Mode provides direct access to network adapters or sharing options and advanced firewall settings. And you know what's really cool? You can just drag your favorite tools from God Mode right to your desktop. This way, they are just a click away. And if you want to take it a step further, try grouping similar settings in a folder. So for example, I can take these two settings. So I'm going to right click and select new folder and I'll say network settings. And I can paste it in here. Like putting all your network stuff in one place. And you can put your system maintenance tools in another folder. Just a quick word of caution, while God Mode is completely safe, be careful when you change settings you're not familiar with, especially the system settings. You don't want to accidentally cause any problems. God Mode isn't just a fancy control panel shortcuts. It's a power user's choice that can significantly streamline your Windows experience. So this personalized approach transforms Windows management into an effortless experience, saving your valuable time and countless clicks. Alright, if you found this helpful, subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks and let me know in the comments what your favorite hidden Windows feature is.